guys! Today I am going to show you how to use this awesome chalk paste that I've been talking about. It's so easy. So today I'm making the word create, and what I like to do is I like to label the back of my transfers so that I know which transfer goes to which backing. It's easier to keep organized. So what you're going to see me do here is I am just going to peel off the transfer and put it onto my surface. It has a little bit of a sticky back to adhere to the surface. Then I'm going to take a little bit of chalk paste and smear it over my transfer. And then I am going to make sure that the transfer is covered, and then I will scrape the excess back into the jar and squeegee off any more excess and scrape that back into the jar. You really don't need a lot. Then you just go ahead and peel off the transfer, and voila, look what you got. So I'm going to go ahead here and finish creating the rest of these magnets. And these little black squares is what you will get inside of a sample pack if you were to buy one from me, because I know a lot of people want to try this out without having to buy a whole bunch of stuff. So for $6, I'm giving you one of those black squares, a transfer, enough chalk paste to be able to do what I'm doing here, and a little squeegee. And you'll get that for $6. If you are not local, then you will also have to pay shipping. But it's a great way to just try it out if you want to try it. And then you can create little magnets. Check that out. If you want more information on the products or how to become a designer, feel free to comment below and ask me about anything that you have questions on, and I would love to answer it for you. And we are almost complete with this. There we have it. The word create in magnets, and it can stick on any metal surface. Cheers, and thanks for watching.
Not me.